See here, in the last class we studied that is exercise number 1.2, right? Yes, exercise number 1.2 we studied that too up to first main, second main over. After that, third main also overs. Okay, here, yeah. After that, we studied international place value chart as well as the Indian system of Indian system as well as the international system we studied, right? So I hope I told that is a Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration I told in a last class only, and I given a what is the difference between those two. In Indian system of enumeration we are having a ones, tens, after that hundreds, next thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so after that crore and 10 crore. We studied that in a Indian system of numeration. And what are the things we studied in an international system of numeration? In international system of numeration, there will be a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. That things we studied in the international system of numeration. Okay, I hope everyone know what is the difference between a Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration. And again one more thing I am telling now, that is, see here, so that is the, yeah, in examination some people did a mistakes, that is in a expanded form everyone written. After that you have failed to write that is the place values. Why? You don't know what is the place value of the given number. Being a 5th standard, you have to write that one. Okay, it's a easy one only. Study properly once again everything and solve that question paper in your HW. Solve the unit test 1 question paper in your HW. Getting everyone? Okay, we'll begin with the next one, that is the exercise. Open exercise number 1.3 everyone. That is page number 24. You have to open page number 24. That is exercise number 1.3. Here write the numbers for the following number names and mark the periods using the commas. Okay, so you have to write the given here a number names. Okay, you have to write a number for that. So you have to write here number, and after writing a number you have to put the commas. Okay, that is according to the mark the periods using a commas they told. Okay, whether you have to use here international or Indian, both you have to use. Okay, if you want to use the Indian system then you can, otherwise you can use the international, because they didn't mention here anything. Okay, so they didn't mention particular system. You can use any one, only one you have to use. Don't use two also. Okay, it is not a say here. That is a 27 million. How to write a 27 million number? 27 million. How to write the 27 million number? You know, right? How many zeros are there in a millions? How many zeros are there in a millions? And one more thing, you have to write this one also in a HW. That is page number 23. See here, page number 23. This box I am filling. Okay, page number 23. This box. This one. What is the given here? Comparison of Indian and international place value charts. Comparison of Indian and international place value charts. Okay, so you have to compare. See here, if you have to read and write. Okay, don't write blankly. Okay, so you have to, while you are writing this one, you have to read and write. Comparison between that is the Indian system of enumeration as well as the international place value chart. Okay, so then if you studied that one, you will come to know that what is the difference between the Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration. Okay, then it will be easy to find the, and it will be easy to read the numbers, and it will easy to write the number also. Okay, so here international as well as the Indian they given here, that is a 100 million is equal to how much? 100 million is equal to 10 crores. Next, after that 10 million is equal to how much? That is a crore. 1 crore is nothing but a 10 million. Okay, I written on that board, right? In last class I written on the board only. Okay, so once again, if you didn't remember, once again see that video, then you will get to know that. Okay, so next here 1 million is equal to how much? That is a 10 lakhs. 100,000 is nothing but a 1 lakh. 10,000 is 10,000 only. After that 1,000, up to 10,000 nothing will change. Everything is same in a Indian as well as the international system. After 10,000 it will be a change in a Indian as well as the international. In Indian we are having a lakh, but in international we are having a 100,000. Okay, but in Indian we are having a 10 lakh. Here international, that is called as the million, and in Indian system that is a crore. 1 crore is nothing but a 10 million in a international system of a numeration. After that 10 crore, 110, see here 10 crore is nothing but a 100 millions in a international system of a numeration. Getting the difference between the international system of a numeration as well as the Indian system of a numeration. Okay, it's a very easy one. Please study properly, you will come to know everything. Okay, so today we'll start with the, that is the exercise number 1.3. We'll start the exercise number 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Okay, so in that they given first main here. Everyone open page number 24. In page number 24 they given here, that is the, yes, write the numbers for the following number names and mark the periods using a commas. Okay, whether you have, see here you can use any one, that is the Indian system of enumeration or the international system of enumeration. Using that any one, you have to put the commas for the given number here. Okay, so first one is they given here number name. First one they given number name. After that they given here number with the commas. Number with commas. Okay, here number name as well as the, that is a number with commas. Here number name, here number with the commas. See here 27 million. First one is they given here 27 million. Okay, if they given number in a international system, then use the international system only. Using that only we have to put the comma. If they given in a Indian system of enumeration, then you have to use according to Indian system, you have to put the comma here. Okay, by seeing the number name you can write these things. That is a 27 million. How to write a 27 million? That is 27. The million having a, how many zeros here? The million having a 6 zeros. Okay, so that is here. Okay, 433, because million is comes in a international system of a numeration, right? So that's why we have to put the commas for the 3 digits number. In international system, how to put the comma? In international system, we have to put the comma for 3 digits number. 3 here 3 and here also 3 and here it doesn't matter how many numbers left. Okay, so here 3 3 like that we have to put. That is the according to the international system of a numeration, because the million comes in a international system of a numeration. That's why I am putting a comma according to the international system of a numeration. Getting everyone? So next one is a, what is that given? That is a big one. 5,45,817. Okay, 5 million. I don't write here question. Okay, you only refer this question in a textbook. Also it is there. See here page number 24. This box I am telling here, and you have to write here numbers. Okay, so I will just write here numbers. I don't write the question here. Okay, for question you have to refer the textbook. Okay, I am just writing the That is the question number. That is here A. This one is the B one I am writing here. Okay. What is the given here? 5 million. 5 million. Next 45,000. 870. 870. For three numbers we have to put the comma. Okay. So 5 million 45,870. This is the B1 answer. This one is A and this one is B. Okay. So 5,45,870. This is the number name. And we already put here commas for 3 digits according to the international system only. Okay. So next one. Next we'll see the seat one, that is 20,200,013. Okay. 20 million. 20 million. Next 200,000. 200,000 and 13. Only 13 they given. Means here in 100 place that is the 0 is there. Only 13 given means here in 100 place there will be a 0. Okay. So 20 million 200,000 13. 20 million 200,000 13. Like that we have to write. Okay. Next D one. See after this one I'll write here. That is the D one. What is the given D one? 74,09,855. Okay. So 74 million 9,000 means only 9 is there. Okay. So next 855. 855. Okay. So here 74 million 9,855. 74 million 9,855. Getting everyone? Okay. So next each one 8,450,000. Each one will solve each one, that is 8,450,000. 8,000,000, that is 8,400,000. Only 400 they given here. Next 50. Wait one second. That is the 450,000, right? It is, sorry. 8,450,000. 450,000. After that the given only that much, right? So here write the 3 zeros. Okay. So 8,450,000. 8,450,000. Okay. Here nothing is there. 450,000. Only this much is the answer. Next one F. That is a 36,003,003. 36 million here. 36 million 3,003. 3,000. 36 million 3,003. 36 million 3,003. This is the number here, the given. Okay. So after that G1 3,15,700. 3,15,700. Okay. 3,15,700. Okay. So 3,15,700. Okay. 3,15,700. This is the number name. Getting everyone? Next last one. 31,577. 31,577. 31 million 500 31 million 577. Here three zeros are there. Next 571. 571. 31 million 571. Okay. So 31 million 571. This is the number name here. 31 million 571. Getting everyone? So these are the numbers. They given a number name. We written a numbers and already we put a comma for each numbers, right? According to the international system only. Why we have to take here international system? Because all the number names is in the international system. Okay. So that's why we are using putting a comma according to the international system here. Okay, depending on the number name we have to use the method system. Which system we have to use, that is decided by that number name only. Okay, so next we'll go for the second main, that is the write the following numbers in a words. That is the number name in words is nothing but you have to write the number names. Okay, so you have to write the number names or you have to write that following numbers in the words. That is nothing but a number name you have to write. Okay, I'll write on the board. Okay, first one they given here 81, that is the second main. 50050 and next 050. Okay, so here again for 3 commas they already kept a commas here, right? So means here 3 digits, after 3 digits we are having a commas is nothing but it is according to the which number? It is according to the international system of a numeration. So how to read this number? 50 million 50,000 50, right? So write here name, that is a 50, sorry, wait, 50 million 50 million 50,000 50,000 50. Okay, 50 million, only here 50 is there. Okay, no number is in this place, right? So we can't take that one. Okay, so just read here 50, that is a 50,000. And how much is there here? That is a only 50 value. So write here 50 million 50,000 50. This is the number name here. Getting everyone? Second one, weak one is read this one. 72,342,987. Okay. So see here one idea I'll give here. Whatever the number is there no here, last 3 digits, that write the same thing. That is the 987. Like that we have to write. Okay. Next, whatever the numbers, 3 numbers are in this middle values, that is the thousands. Because here it is a ones, it is a thousands, and it is a millions according to the international system of numeration, right? So here how much here? If there will be a 3 numbers, then take that 3 numbers also. If there is a 2, so just take a 2 only. That is a only 72 is there. So 72 millions. If there is a 172, then take a 172 millions, like that. Okay. So here only 2 numbers are there. So I am taking here a 72 millions. 72 millions 342,987 here. Okay. 72 million 342,987. Getting 72 million 342,987. I'll write here, that is a 72 million 342,987. Okay, 72,342,987. 72,342,987. This is the number. Like that we have to write. Okay. So further all the numbers, I'll say a number name and you have to write it yourself. Okay. I don't write on the board all the numbers here. I tell all the number name. Okay. But you should have to write all the number names in front of that number. They given a boxes no in the textbook. You have to write it in that boxes first. After that write it in a HW. Getting everyone? So I showed two as the example. Like this we have to write the number names here. And further I'll tell the number name. So I don't write on the board. Just listen here properly. Okay. That is next seat one is the given. Seat one what they given here. While I am reading the number name, you have to see your textbook and check the number. Okay. How I am reading that you have to see in your textbook only. Okay. That is the seat 1 page number 24. In second main seat 1 I am telling the answer. That is a seat 1 7,777,900. Okay. 7,777,900. 7,777,900. Okay. So next deep one is that is a 4,700,189. 4,700,189. 4,700,189. Okay. Next each one. Each one I am telling the number name. That is the here not million. No million value is there. So only thousands are there. That is the 478,324. 478,324. 478,324. This is the number name. And after that 76,156. Getting 76,156. Okay. Next after that we are having a 14,505,222. 14,505,222. 14,505,222. Okay. Next further H. That is a 28,014,718. Getting everyone? 28,014,718. Getting? So once again, wait, I just write all the number names. Otherwise you will get a confuse here. Okay. Second main only, that is the seat 1 I am writing here. That is the 900, right? So here write 7,777,900. 100. Okay. So after that these one, in these one what they given here? See here, that is the 4 million, 700,000 189. Okay. Each one, next one, that is a 24, right? So 324. Okay. So after that what we are having here, that is a S. Okay. I'll write this one. Now we are writing a F. What is that F? 76,156,000. That is 76,156,000. Okay, that is the number name. 76,156,000. Next G one. That is right 14,505,222. Okay, so here 14,505,222. This is the number name. Next last one, that is H 28,014,780. Okay, see here 28,000,000 14,780. See here 28,014,780. 28,014,780. These are the number names. We are going to write that one. Okay, in the second main they given this one only. Okay, so we completed second main. Now go for the, that is the third main. Rewrite by using commas according to each of the two place value system. That is the according to the Indian system as well as the international system. You have to put the commas. Okay, so in front of these boxes, this one page number 25, this one I am telling here. Here they given a Indian system, here international system. Okay, here they given a some numbers, that is a 1 A B C D, 4 numbers are there. So in front of these two, in these two box, according to the Indian, write this number only, and according to the Indian system you have to put the commas here, and here according to the international system you have to put the comma here. According to the Indian system we have to put a comma after two, first starting with the 3 digits, after that 2 digits. Okay, according to the international all are 3 digits only, we have to put a comma. So write this number only here and here, and according to the Indian and according to the international system you have to put the commas here. Okay, so that is the homework for you, and solve exercise number 1.3 in a HW. That is the homework for you. Okay, after that this one you have to write the 2 times. Comparison of a Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration, that is a 2 times. You have to write it in a HW only. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.